How's it?
Don't you think Alfie was really thoughtful giving me a telescope?
Yeah, it was a shame he had to drag you outside for it, wasn't it, eh? I mean, you're not well. A poor night being sick.
I've been taking my tablets. Thought I'd feel better by now.
Herbal tea might help. Ginger's good for nausea. And peppermint. I'll pop out later and get you some. Just be a minute.
Jade about?
She's still poorly after a chemo.
Yeah, can I see her?
Alfie, look, not today. You're not well either. You should be at home.
I can help her revise.
Just come back in a few days. You can see her then, OK?
Who was it?
Oh, no one important. Hey.
Where's Frankie?
Upstairs.
Came by earlier and she wouldn't let me in. She just said you weren't well. I was worried.
I keep being sick.
Jenny! Now, you sure you're going to be OK on your own for half an hour, yeah?
I'll be fine.
I don't know where Sonia's got to. Keeping a low profile, I suppose. Everyone's talking about this Love Day business. Not that she's had the courtesy to tell me what's going on.
I'm sure she will in time.
Well, I'll drop this present off at Ben and Sienna's whilst I'm at it.
Yeah, no rush. I'll be fine.
Now, you call me any problems, all right? See you later.
C'est mon animal préféré, surtout je dois les Pâques.
What does that mean?
Don't interrupt. À l'avenir, je vais en Pâques, nous à qui s'appelle Quill.
It's a long way round of saying it.
It doesn't mean don't interrupt. I'm saying don't interrupt. I'm rubbish here anyway. I'm gonna fail this exam.
Hey, no. Dogs are good. What's not interesting about a small dog with a flat face popularised by Queen Victoria?
Queen Victoria.
I read it somewhere.
Oh, you know everything.
I don't know where astrophysical neutrinos come from. But I do know one thing. There's no place I'd rather be than sat here next to you.
They only had peppermint. Alfie Nightingale? Looking in behind my back. I told you to go home and rest.
I feel fine.
Yeah, well, Jade doesn't.
Yes, and whose fault is that? Spraying chemicals around.
Chemicals?
Yes, hairspray, cleaning product. Don't you think she's had enough pumped into her?
Sweetheart. I'll get you some kitchen roll.
Oh, no. I'll do it. You see to Jade.
Come on, let's get you some down, darling. Poor little thing.
Clean up your girlfriend's sick, eh? You said romance was dead.
Someone had to do it.
Yeah, but you know, most young boys wouldn't have offered, eh? You're not so bad, are you, Alfie? And the main thing is you care about Jade, and that's what matters.
Thank you.
I should probably go.
Oh, it's all right. Another half hour's not going to harm, is it? Hey, but just remember, I'm downstairs, so no funny business.
How comes you never get this sick?
Lucky, I guess. Could be the medication I'm on.
Why is it different?
Both do the same thing. These worked for me the last time I was on chemo, so guess they thought I should just stick with them.
Oh, mine are rubbish. They don't work.
I wish there was something I could do to make it better.
You can. Give me one of your pills instead. I'm sorry.
Hey, stop apologising. I've been through this too, remember?
I just want it to stop. Let me have one, Alfie, please.
You can't just swap medication, not without talking to a doctor.
Okay, if they made you better, maybe they'll do the same for me.
It might not be that simple.
Alfie, I need your help. Please.
I guess one won't hurt.
Thank you.
How's my patient feeling?
Actually, I feel better.
Good.